Welcome back to Going Ballistic, everybody. Man, again, another 2 weeks went by without a video from Going Ballistic. What is up with those guys? Well, we got busy with our home projects, work projects. We are back on the range for you guys. We got something we've been wanting to do for quite a while. We got one of the last Sammy heads from Zombie Go Boom. Sadly, they will not be selling these anymore, so if you guys know anybody that does sell these, we'd like to pick some more up. So what we're going to do for you all today is we have our Bushmaster BA50 Sammy head, and we got some of the coolest rounds the 50 cal makes. No, we don't have a slap round because it's going to go through some serious bricks here. So we got these bricks here, and what we're going to do with the first 3 rounds is we're going to set up 3 bricks in a row, shoot, and see how well they do. Now, this blue tip, you guys know what the 50 cal blue tip is. This pink tip is basically the same thing. These were special made rounds for us, and we're gonna try them on a harder surface. We've tried them in different videos and not quite a hard enough surface, and they didn't make the huge flash that they're supposed to, but we're gonna try them. Then we got the Soviet API round. We are gonna see how many bricks those could go through, hopefully 3. And then, if you stick around, we are going to set this wall up and show you why hiding behind a brick wall is not a good idea for our favorite round, the Raufoss round. Justin's called it the party popper. And that's what we got for you. We're gonna see if it'll break through, which I completely think it will, because it's a tungsten core versus steel, blah, 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 and take out our zombie hiding on the other side of this wall. So this is what we got for you guys today. Hey, don't forget, pick up your t-shirts. We still got a lot of t-shirts. Got a sale going on for you guys. If you buy a 2XL, XL, or large, you will get a medium or a small for free for your kids, your loved ones, whatever. Or maybe you're small and your loved ones are big and you want those shirts. You can get those. Just let us know your size. Again, eBay can't get their crap together. So you got to let us know what shirt sizes you guys want if you go to the link, which is down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and sign up on our Instagram page, because we have a lot of different stuff going on the Instagram page that you won't see here. So shut up, Chris. Let's get going.
All right, so first round is gonna be the pink tip, or as Chris's daughter has dubbed it, the sparkle farts round. So this should be pretty good, I'd say. All right, see what kind of damage sparkle farts can do. Well, now my hair is in the way. There we go. Now I can see. Destruction. Wow, there was a lot of sparkles.
That was beautiful. Beautiful sparkle farts around there. Thank you, Leah, for naming that round. There's a little piece of the jacket. It was neat how the sparks, it came in, busted through this first one, obviously. Looks like right there, right above where the brick has that little bridge parted, or that little bridge through it, and took out 2 bricks. Did not take out the third one. Kind of cool how this metal thing is just balancing up on top of that. But yeah, doesn't even look like any marks on this one. So 2 bricks. Looks like a brick and a half. This one just busted because of the concussion and the brick falling apart. But let's move on to the next one and see how the Smurf round works. Let's do it.
All right, now let's see how the Smurf tip round stacks up compared to the sparkle farts. Is it gonna be more or less carnage? Either way, it's a great day. Yeah. Man, that blew snot out of my nose. Clear.
Okay, that looked like pretty much the same. I'm glad we got the high-speed camera. Again, that's a Kronos 1.4. It's our older one, and that's about 6,000 frames a second, which for our channel we can afford. That's a $4,000 camera when we bought it. I don't know what it is now, but it's still a good camera, 6,000 frames a second. He hit right under the edge of this first brick, but it still did about the same damage as the sparkle farts round. Nothing here on the third. So now we're gonna move on to the black and red tip, the API. Let's see if that can take out 3 bricks. Here we go. All right, it's my turn to shoot the 50. I'm gonna send this black and red tip down range, and hopefully this one can take out 3 of those bricks, because this one has a steel core, not mild steel core. So let's check it out. Almost forgot. I know, Justin, get your crap together, Chris. Rookies. All right. We're gonna send her on home. All right, fire in the hole. Clear. Let's check it out. All right, we finally got all 3 bricks. If you guys, oh, here's a piece of the jacket, I think. Ooh, yeah, that's it. That's it, Edwin, it's hot. I'm always giving that guy a hard time. He is the king of picking up hot rounds. I don't know why. Oh, we love that guy. Anyways, busted through all 3, and you can see, and you've already seen, like on the high speed, it came in down here, but the actual center core shot out just at this little side, missed our steel plate, and went off to Never Never Land down there. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I wish we could have found that steel core if it would have hit here, but we didn't. Okay, now the round everybody's been waiting for, the Raufoss round. Again, we're just gonna do 1 layer of bricks. We know it's gonna go through. That was a hardened steel core, busted all 3. The Raufoss round has a tungsten core. It's meant to punch through and have a secondary burst. Hopefully we can catch that on the camera. I don't know with all the dust, but who cares? We're gonna try it anyways. Let's do it.
All right, now it's time for my favorite, the elusive party popper, otherwise known as the Raufoss. So there's a zombie hiding behind that there wall. I'm fixing to take him out. He's got a hit in the general vicinity, and I think we can peel his muffin cap back blue. Bye-bye, Mr. Guy. Bye-bye, Mr. Guy. Man, I totally hit. Man, I totally heard it hit that plate. Felt like something hit my arm. Where's my blast shield?
That was fantastic. That was so cool because that thing, it worked perfectly. It actually blew through the brick wall and the head, and you see a spark on the steel plate where the tungsten core actually blew through and hit right here. Right there and then into here. It's just molted metal right there. That's awesome. Our zombie blood. Yeah, totally sucked his brains right out of the back of his head. But this will be cool. We could actually probably use this one again, Justin. Let's see if we can do. Yeah, look at right there is where he hit. Right in the ear hole, baby. Look at that. Bam! What a good shot. So, if you think you can hide behind a brick wall and somebody has a Raufoss round, it ain't gonna happen. Not gonna happen.
It ain't gonna go good for you.
Ain't gonna go good at all. It's gonna go bad. Now, I know some of you basement engineers are gonna say, well, the brick wall wasn't solid, it wasn't filled with concrete. If you guys watch this video here, we shot a concrete barrier with the Russian API rounds, and it was blowing holes through, what was it, 8 inches of solid cement. So that is still a good test. The only thing it did is the secondary explosion didn't probably go off in his head. It went off on the plate or thereafter. So that was fantastic. I still liked it. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. And if you guys can find, if anybody knows where we can find any more of these type heads, they explode wonderfully. Really like these. So thank you guys for watching. Again, don't forget to check out our Instagram page. Pick up a t-shirt. We have 2 different styles. There's a link down in the description below. Thank you to our patrons and all you who stick around. We got a ton of videos coming next month. We're working on all kinds of stuff. To include this cool full-size remote control car you guys are going to like. So thank you all for watching, and we will be back. Now clean up this mess, Justin. God dang it. Freaking hard to find good work. Ers.